Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful 86-degree day in Texas today. I hope you're out there getting things done. I know I had to cut the grass today. Wasn't really a fan of it, but it needed to be done. We got a lot of rain, so it put off on doing some yard work. But I'm actually going to go catch up with my friend Andy and go check out his new bike. See how that looks. Go out for a quick ride real quick. I need to check the P.O. box and maybe take a better look at this bike he picked up. And you know, I don't care if you ride a Harley, you ride a Yamaha, a Honda, Royal Enfield, whatever. As long as you're out riding, that's good for me. If I could ride comfortable on a sport bike, I would have got one, but I can't do that leaning over the tank thing. My back's just not able for that anymore. But for you guys out there that still do it, good for you. Like that guy. Alright. I hate coming to this Walmart. They put these like obnoxious speed bumps in and shit.
Oh yeah, bring that shit on, man. Oh god, I love it. Awesome. Oh god, that hurt a little, but I'm all right.
Oh my god, son, what the hell are you doing?
364 more days till next year's hockey tryouts. I gotta toughen up. Yeah. Oh god, that felt good. Yeah.
Man, busy day at the Walmart. I know our governor said everything's open up. I swear the Walmart just got packed further than before the pandemic. Ooh, I see it from here. It's very bougie. No, I'm good. It's a very beautiful bike, sir.
Yours isn't too shabby either.
No. I'll get one of those one day. Not now.
Well, rather than doing all the stuff after the warranty and all that,
Yeah.
just put money away. Because there's really, to me, there's kind of no point in doing the Screaming Eagle stuff now, just to turn around in 2 years or less, depending on the mileage, take it off to do what you want.
Yeah.
So, but that's just me. That's how I think of things sometimes.
True.
But I understand. I was the same way. I did a whole bunch of stuff, but I knew that doing all the engine stuff and all that other stuff was going to be once the bike was paid for, and
Yeah.
I beat up by it. But, right.
Well, most of the stuff I ordered is just, you know, stage 1 and then next year's stage 2 cam, and that's probably where I'll leave it. And then once, you know, I figure out if my son's going to college or not, you know, because I want to pay for most of that, you know. Because, you know, that's like, what, 2-3 years worth of college right there for one kid?
Like 1.5.
Yeah, right, today. Who knows when our kids get that old.
Don't remember.
We got chlorine.
No, I got chlorine. I need to get algicide. I didn't use any algicide. I just used shock and chlorine. And one of the things that I read online of the steps is like, you need to clean your pool, put algicide in it, and then go back, clean your pool again, pull the filters out. So it's over by Party City, which is over by Walmart, right?
Yeah.
At
Lowe's Boulevard.
Lowe's Boulevard. So
Yeah.
I would hate that because we get off, then we can get on and then we'll basically get back off, right?
Yep. I gotta swing by the P.O. box real quick
Okay.
before they yell at me again.
You do that first?
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause it's only right over there. It is a fancy bike, I'll give you that. I just can't justify it. I'm sure a lot of you guys with baggers do. But I need a truck too, so. Alright, let's check the old P.O. box out this week. See what's we got. Whoa, wow, alright. We got some mail. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got one of mine back. 5, 6. I guess Harley at 40 didn't really like to get mail. Interesting. I thought I had the right address. Check it out. Use your fancy new bike. I'm just here to follow the ride. We got some B-roll of this monstrosity. I don't know. It grows on me the more I look at it. Does anybody else have a hard time finding neutral? Or is it just me? Litter bug. Throw your cigarette butts out. So he has a pool, which is nice because I get to use it and I don't have to go to the public pools. Because I don't know if you've ever been to a public pool. It's nice when you're allowed to swim in it. But a lot of people, decide to go potty in the bathroom, so they gotta close the pool for an hour and you're out in 110-degree heat. And you can't go in their pool and you're just sitting there baking in the sun. And then the little guys got tested with the strip and who knows. I'd rather have a friend with a pool. Oh, he's gonna get me demonetized. Yeah, it's fine though. Hopefully you can't hear it. But yeah, it's great to get out. It's good to see him back on a bike. He's been pretty bummed out for the past couple weeks because of what happened to his and having to deal with insurance. I can only imagine, especially all the time he put into the bike. And I mean, I went over and helped for a couple hours when we were putting this, the stage 4 kit on the Softail. but you know, I feel bad, but like he said, no payment's better than a payment, but at least you got the bike you wanted. And if you ever wanted you know, the chance to do something, you know, you get an older bike and you mess with it. But he's happy, that's glad. He's back out riding now. We just gotta reconvene our plans for the Grand Tour of Texas now. He still needs his heel shifter and highway pegs, but those things he can put on himself, so. I'm still waiting on my exhaust. I got all the other parts, so I got my air cleaner, I got the tuner, the cables for the tuner, because you know with a Harley everything's set, you know, I gotta buy every bolt and nut. It doesn't come in a package. I don't know why. Maybe they make you think it's cheaper. I have no idea. I'd rather just get it all and just be done. But you know, Harley's a Harley, so it is what it is. I don't make the rules. What else did I get? Oh yeah, the headlight trim ring for the headlight. Black it out. Now I got the new Memphis shade shield in, so I need to throw that on. Maybe I'll do that this week, because I got a lot of home projects. I know a lot of us, you know, we want to go out and ride, but we got a lot of stuff to do around the house too. Like we promised our son if he got good grades in kindergarten, we could get a swing set, like a play set. Well, you know, with COVID, you know, things are like crazy and everybody's buying a swing set. Like they were hard to find, so we found it. Got it about a month ago. It's been sitting in the backyard in pieces because we bought a house and people don't really take care of their grass as much as I would like in Texas. I know it's a big expense because you gotta water it because it gets hot. I get that. You gotta, you know, put what's the right word? Weed and feed down, like stuff like that. You know, there's a cost to owning a home, and a lot of the houses where I live, you know, near military base, are rentals, and not a lot of people take care of it. So I own my home. It was rented once before years ago, and I purchased it from somebody that purchased it before me, but nobody took care of the yard, and you know, it's a big expense. Grass is not cheap, and it's a lot of work. Laying sod, like last year I helped him sod his whole yard before he got his pool put in.
We'll be right back.